Okay, so this is Moto Noir, and I'm taking out the Rocket 3. See how this does. Shit. This thing is amazing. Come on. Wow, this thing is smooth. Holy crap. Okay, so I'm going to take this on a little ride. My buddies over at Brooklyn Triumph are entrusting me with this. They do want to sell this eventually. So I'm going to take it easy and not be too much of a hooligan. Holy crap, this thing is nice though. It does have forward controls, so it makes it kind of awkward. But it's quite comfy. Quite comfy. The seat, my God, the seat. Oh, yeah. So my bike has like 55 foot-pounds of torque, and Anthony was telling me that this has close to 200 foot-pounds of torque. So it's a big fucking difference. I just feel like a boss on this thing. Ooh. Alright, I'll head this way. Check my mirrors. Good. Alright. Let's give it some beans here. Yes. What are you doing, man? You're killing my vibes, bro. You're killing my vibes. So yeah, the torque on it is immediately apparent and amazing. Feels super smooth though. Like, it doesn't feel herky-jerky whatsoever. That's a feat of engineering. And on these city streets, I am not doing much shifting. Not much needed. Holy shit, this thing is fucking awesome. Alright, I'm gonna find a path here. It's not really a lane splitting sort of bike. There we go. Oh man, I love this thing. I freaking love this thing. It's well balanced. Shit. I mean, it's heavy. It's heavy as fuck. And I'm having a hard time remembering where to put my feet. But it is fucking smooth. Churns very lazily. But it's sick. It is very sick. Oh man, I like this a lot. I keep forgetting where to put my feet. I kind of do a running man motion whenever I'm getting started. Please God, am I fucking... I can't tell. Get up to the next light. Let's see. Oh man. Okay, I see what the big deal is about. I wish I could take this on the highway just for a quick stint, but it's just too congested right now. Too much going on. Good, okay. Video is on. Engaged. Yo, this bike is something else. There's a lot going on with this bike, and I'm sure there's a lot of technology that goes into making it so just damn smooth. It's really freaking easy to ride. It's so easy to ride. Don't know why I'm so genuinely surprised by that. I wish the foot controls were like a little bit more like mid controls. You know what I mean? I feel like that would be, oh, that's a big fucking pothole. I feel like that'd be more comfortable. Not that this is uncomfortable, to say the least. This is a very comfortable bike. I just don't like having my feet forward. Very satisfying clunk. You know what? Actually, I don't really mind the feet forward sort of stance. You just have to get used to it. You just gotta get used to it. All the switches and everything are very, very nice. High quality machinery here. I guess you really should expect it from a make and a brand like Triumph. Expect everything to be just really fucking nice. Fuck off, you guys. I am cooler than you. And it stops really fucking good. Yeah. This is a fantastic motorcycle. I can see what the rave is about. However, I will say, I don't know that it's necessarily right for riding around here in New York City. It's a big motherfucking bike, and it's got a ton of power, but it's all really usable. Really usable power. But you just never get to use it. So you're just running around in, you know, freaking first gear. I have not shifted into second gear whatsoever. So you kind of miss out on some of that, I think. Or at least I feel like I am missing out. It's a little heavy in the turn. Get the f away, bicyclist. Yeah. Dude, I love this machine. I really do. I really stinking do. I truly like this thing. Alright, let's do a fucking turnaround. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. All day, yes. Twice on fucking Saturday and Sunday and Monday. This thing is a beast. Wow. I'm thoroughly impressed. That's Moto Noir. That's me. Hi.